Hey, what's up guys? In my happy 50th birthday to GT Bicycles video, I showed you my 1998 GT Ricochet and explained why I spent years searching for this bike. If you haven't seen that video yet, click here. Anyway, when I was researching the history of GT bikes for that video, I stumbled across something I had never seen before, a 1988 GT Ricochet. It was a trials bike designed by the legendary trials rider Hans "No Way" Rey. If you don't know who Hans Rey is, here's a few clips of him. As you can see, he's been a GT factory rider since the early 80s, and in 1988, he and GT Bicycles introduced the GT Ricochet trials bike. It featured a triple clamp front fork, a bottom bracket bash plate, GT Power Series 150mm cranks, Ukiah Superlace rims, an Epoch headset, and Peregrine FSX 111 brakes. Since they were only produced for a very short period of time, these bikes are extremely rare and very collectible. I couldn't believe it when I found out the GT Ricochet was originally a trials bike. You see, I've always been a big fan of bike trials and Hans Rey. When I bought my first Ricochet in 1998, my intentions were to eventually convert it into a trials, street style sort of mountain bike. So finding out that the precursor to my Ricochet was a trials bike kind of blew my mind. Well guys, that's it for now. Just thought I would share a little bit of history about the GT Ricochet. Let me know if you have any other fun facts about the GT Ricochet or any other GT bike in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're into this kind of thing. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.